What if I told you that you could create Hollywood-style videos just by typing a sentence? Meet Kling AI, the tool that's changing how creators make videos forever.
Kling AI is a powerful text-to-video and image-to-video AI model developed by Kuaishou. It allows anyone, no filming, no editing skills, to generate realistic cinematic videos from simple text prompts or images.
Why it's different? Unlike older AI tools, Kling AI focuses on realistic motion, accurate physics, and longer video duration. It can generate clips up to 2 minutes long, with smooth camera movement and lifelike characters.
Step 1.
Go to the Kling AI website and create a free account. You can sign up using your email or Google account in under a minute.
Step 2. Type your prompt. Be descriptive. Mention the subject, action, setting, and camera style. For example, an astronaut walking on Mars, cinematic lighting, slow camera pan.
Step 3. Hit Generate. Kling AI will process your prompt and create a short video clip. You can adjust duration, aspect ratio, and even upload a reference image for more control.
Step 4. Once you're happy with the result, download your video in HD quality. You can use it for YouTube, ads, social media, or even short films, completely royalty-free.
Step 5. Import your Kling AI clips into an editing tool like CapCut or Premiere Pro. Combine multiple generated videos, add transitions, and trim them to match your story's pacing.
Step 6. Bring your video to life by adding a voiceover, background music, and captions. This turns a simple AI clip into a fully polished, publish-ready video for YouTube or social media.
Creators use Kling AI for YouTube intros, product ads, short films, music videos, and reels, all without a camera or crew. If you need videos fast, Kling AI does the heavy lifting for you.
And that's it. 6 simple steps to go from a text prompt to a fully edited AI video. No camera, no crew, no expensive software. If this helped, hit subscribe, drop a like, and tell me in the comments what you're creating with Kling AI. And check out my next video, Kling AI versus Runway AI. You don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. This has been Velixar. See you in the next one.